Bill Wadzink's 72 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus. He's had a rough time with this, and unfortunately he's no longer with us, but car looks amazing. His wife Carrie kept it going in the tradition and brought it to Mopars in the park.
They're cool. Photo 71 too. Check out the Javelin. Javelin's nice. Nice Javelin. Pretty thick. Color's so nice. I love it. Everything matches.
So I met Bill a couple years ago at Mopars in the park, and he had a mismatched colored interior back seat. And I was just walking around shooting the shit with the guy, and we hit it off. He's a good dude. And basically just said, hey, you can get this spray dye stuff. So the back seat was white, but the rest of his interior was black. So I told him, like, hey, this is what you get. This is how you do it. And, I got his contact info, friended him up on the Facebook, and he went for it, got it all cleaned up and blacked it out, and it turned out killer. And that was kind of the beginning of our relationship. His original car. If you look on my channel, I made a video as a submission for trying to get his car done for body and paint for a TV show that was one of his favorites. And nobody ever responded, but we tried. I miss the guy. I wish he lived closer. I would have hung out a lot more than I did. Hindsight, regrets, the whole 9 yards. The vinyl top turned out killer, man. Turned out good, Bill.